Lane departure warning and lane keeping assist work together to help keep the vehicle centered in its lane. If the vehicle begins to move outside of its lane without the turn signals activated, an audible alert sounds and the lane departure warning appears on the instrument panel, prompting the driver to steer back into the detected lane. Acura's Lane Keeping Assist System, or LKAS, can automatically apply corrective steering to center you in the detected lane. Acura's Road Departure Mitigation System, or RDM, provides even more peace of mind. In addition to audible and visual alerts and corrective steering, this system can automatically apply braking if steering input alone cannot keep the vehicle on the road. Road Departure Mitigation is on by default, but can be turned off by pressing the safety support switch to the left of the steering wheel and then using the right side steering wheel controls to deselect the RDM checkbox. As for Lane Keeping Assist, here's how to activate the system on your Acura. Press the LKAS button on the steering wheel. A white LKAS icon and dotted lane marking outlines will appear in the instrument panel, indicating that the system is standing by. When the vehicle detects lane markings on the road ahead, the LKAS icon in the instrument panel turns green and the dotted lane markings fill in, indicating that the system is active. To cancel LKAS, simply press the LKAS button on the steering wheel again. Note that the Lane Keeping Assist system can only be used when traveling between 72 and 145 kilometers per hour. Models equipped with Traffic Jam Assist can extend the lane keeping functionality to low speeds all the way down to a stop. To use this feature, adaptive cruise control must also be active. To learn more, check out the Traffic Jam Assist video. It's important to understand that LKAS is a sophisticated convenience feature, not a substitute for maintaining full control of the vehicle. This system, along with lane departure warning and road departure mitigation, come with some notable limitations. Lastly, these systems rely on a front radar unit and windshield-mounted camera to operate. Be sure to keep these clean at all times. Otherwise, the systems may proactively disable and a warning message will appear in your instrument panel. You may also receive these warning messages in poor weather conditions, in which case the warnings will clear shortly after conditions improve.